Okay, here is an example of how you would actually flip your screen so that when you go live, if you're using any kind of text that you want people to read, like this right here, you can see it's backwards. All you do is before you go live, what you'll do is you kind of get set up here. You'll tap in the screen, touch this star button, and you'll see a whole list of, yeah, we don't want that. You'll see a whole list of things down here that you can do. So what you'll do is you'll go over to the tools all the way on the far right. And here you'll see these are the flip screens. On the very far left, this is how you'll flip your screen. You can also lighten it if you like. And then once you're ready, you just go ahead here, tap in here, and start your live video. And as you can see, now that we're recording, that you can read my hat, because people indeed do matter. Ciao!